Hey everybody, Mr. Walker here to give you a awesome model. Give me 1 second. So, we read this question together in class. It says, what is the better buy? Which means, what is the cheaper price? Walmart is advertising back to school sales on pencils. A pack of 30 sells for $7.97, where a pack of 12 of the same brand costs $4.77. Which one is the better buy? How do you know? So there's a couple of ways to do this problem. To start with, let's write down the information we have. We know we have 12 pack that costs $4.77. So 12 pencils equals $4.77. I know I do not have very good handwriting, but that's okay. We're going to make through with it, right? On the other side, we know that 30 pencils sells for $7.97. 30 pencils sells for $7.97. All right, awesome. So all I've done is written down the information from the problem that's really important, right? So now we have to figure out which is the better buy and how do we know? So we need to either figure out how much the same amount of pencils would cost for each of these, or figure out how much one pencil costs so we can compare. I know that the number 12 and the number 30 can both be multiplied to get to 60, right? So if I multiply 12 to get to 60, I have to multiply it by 5. To figure out the price of this times 5, I would also just multiply that 477 times 5. I'm going to show my calculator here so you can see me using that. I'm going to do 12 times 5, which I know is 60 pencils. And to find out the price of these 60 pencils at $4.77 for 12, I need to multiply $4.77 by 5. Which gives me $23.85. So if we are selling 12 pencils for $4.77, 60 pencils would cost $23.85. Now let's see the price of 60 pencils here. To get that 30 to 60, I'm going to multiply it by 2. 30 times 2, 60 pencils. To figure out the price of this, I have to multiply $7.97 by 2 as well. Okay. $7.97 times 2 gives me $15.94. So as you can see, the 30 pencils for $7.97 is a cheaper price for 60 pencils than the 12 pencils for $4.77. Just so we can prove this, though, all the way, I'm going to divide out each of these sales prices to figure out the price of one pencil. Okay? So in order to do this, we need to take the price, the total price, and divide it by the amount to figure out the amount per pencil. So if we pay $4.77, we're going to do $4.77 divided by the number of pencils you get, which is 12. I'm going to use a calculator for this. $4.77 divided by 12 equals 30.3975. So we're going to round that up and say 40 cents per pencil. And that is our unit rate for this 12 pencils. Now we need to find the unit rate for the 30 pencils. All right? To do this, we take our price that we paid for 30 pencils, which is $7.97, We're going to divide that by the amount of pencils, which is 30. And if we do that, we get 797 divided by 30. And we know here we paid 0.265666, which we're going to round to 27 cents per pencil. So, to answer the question in complete sentences, the 30 pencils for $7.97 is the better buy because the price is lower per pencil, right? The best deal means which one has the lowest price. And here we see that this is 27 cents per pencil, while this is 40 cents per pencil. So the 30 pack of pencils is the better buy. Awesome. If you are done watching this video, please turn back on your Zoom camera, and we're going to answer questions and talk about this problem.